doing today?
We're gonna make cards for all my teachers because it's nearly our winter break, our school winter break. So today we're gonna get some supplies from them. So when we have the chance to give these to them, then that's what we're giving to them. So my mom is gonna put a flower for each of them. This one is special because it's for the principal, Mrs. Beck.
Yep, so we will make a little giveaway to Embryos teachers. And since today we will be seeing them, we will drop by the school. So we have a chance to give it to them. And so he already made the labels for his teachers.
And I said thank you.
And at the back, it's just a picture of him with his poppy ornament.
And tree.
So
hi!
I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Okay, so this giveaway is going to be really simple. I just needed ribbons, some ribbons, and a tape, a double-sided tape, pair of scissors, and this flower. I don't even know if I will be using it, but we'll see. So my original plan was to put the card on top of the chocolate, but then I realized Embryo has a message in the back of the card, so I have to think of a way that this message will be seen by the teacher. And I thought I can just fold it a little bit, tape it, and it should now look like a card where they can flip it and read the message in the back. And now let's start folding these cards. Okay, I'm using double-sided tape. Put that in the center. I have to fold it because the tape is wider than my fold. Alright, so as you can see, now it looks like a card. It's not really a card, but at least when they open it, it shows the message. And so next, I will put the ribbon. So it looks like that. And I love that my ribbon matches the color of the box. Let's do the others. Alright guys, so I tried a flower and I didn't like how it looked. So now I will be using, I have this Christmas crafting supplies. I use this for my wreath and I still have a lot of them. So I'm just gonna use this, and I will use this crafting wire, and let's see what I will come up with. Maybe I can just put this and put it like that, or like this. So let's cut that one. Let's try one. Let's see here. If I put it over here, it would look like that. Or I can close it like that. It's like an earring. Come on, close. Okay, so now it's closed. That look like an earring, and so let's make an earring out of this. Okay. I have little Christmas tree. Okay, so before I put my Christmas tree earrings, I want to secure the ribbon so it doesn't move around. So I'll just hopefully that ribbon will stay in place. Okay guys, so that's how they look like. And then I'm done with the 5. Christmassy. Now I have to think about how I might decorate this one, because I don't really know. But let's see what we can do here. Alright, so for this one, my ribbon is not long enough. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna tape this thing. I know that there's a picture in there, but he also have that same picture here. So I'm just gonna tape that thing. And see if I can do something with the ribbon. So it would just look, oops, that is not even straight. And right there. And let's see. I can probably put this on top over here. See here. Like that. And make a bow. And make my earring. Oh, I can use a red on these. Since this is a purple, I can use a red. So there. I'm gonna cut a long wire. Make an earring. I have not made an earring out of this, but it just looks like an earring to me. That's why I'm saying that this is an earring. Bear with my fingernails on my fingers. They're not the best looking nails on the fingers because I don't even care. I'm just gonna put this one over here. And make it stay. Close that. Da, 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 da. Okay. That's the final look for my ano talaga. May something. That's the final look for this one. And that is good. So that was it, guys. I know we could have probably made it simple by buying just maybe gift cards or other things that are ready to give. But we want to make our giveaway a little more personal. So we spent a little effort in making them and preparing them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and I will see you again in my next video.
Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos uploading.